Hey, what's up, everybody? So I have a haul for you. Yes. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Let's go ahead and jump into this haul real quick. Can we? Can we? Hope all is well. Hope you're doing beautifully well. You know, summer is coming, and I thought that I thought that I want to share what I end up getting from Dollar Tree. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the haul real quickly. I end up getting these cute napkins. Look at these right here. It says Sweet Summer. Those are cute. I end up getting these cute plates right here. So if you watched my previous video, it makes sense. I'm doing the haul right now. So yes, these are so cute, right? Yes, these are so totally cute. Hey, a watermelon slice, yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these away, you know, and then when time permits itself, then I would just go ahead and whip them on out. Okay. So I end up getting these little small storage containers. I think I'm gonna put this along with my craft. Picked up some more of this Safeguard soap. So I know that this is really popular. Okay, so I wanted to try this. Okay, I'm gonna watch a few videos, of course, on YouTube. Okay, to see how I can do it. Okay, so yes, so I'm gonna see how. Oh my goodness, I'm just being facetious. I'm being so funny right now. But yes, y'all know it's in the color none other. Okay, period. So what's understood never needs to be explained, okay? So I end up getting these right here. These are just two little planks, okay, hanging wood, but I don't think that I'm going to use them for hanging wood. Now you can decorate this and you can hang it somewhere. I have this welcome sign. It's backward. Wait, I don't know. Either way. But yes, okay, $1.25. Yada yada. Okay. I thought these were so cute. Okay, let's open these up. Let's just see. Oh, so it has like little stick back here. Okay, so these are cute. These are cute. And they're just gold. If you're watching my channel, then you already know that by it being gold, that's what caught my attention, right? And I end up picking up some alphabets. Okay, yes. Okay, so you get 3 each. Isn't that really cool? Okay, and they're gold glitter. So, okay, fancy yourself a nice cool beverage. Okay, look at that. That is so cute, right? So yeah, so pineapples with the lemon and the watermelon. Okay. I'm gonna use these two to do my craft project. Yes. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and remove this green shovel. Just go ahead and take this off, okay? Because I don't need a green shovel. Okay, I just wanted it because, of course, that it was pink. Yes, okay? So I end up getting these baskets right here. Okay. Very good, right? Right. Okay, so I end up picking these up. They were so nifty. Okay, why not? You know, you can hold it like this. You're going to the beach, or to the pool. Okay. So yes, that's cool. And then I end up picking this up. I'm not going to do anything to it, but just hang it outside. Okay. Yes, I'm just going to hang it outside. And then, yeah. So what would this be? 1, 2 videos later. Because I'm going to already aired that video. So, okay. So yes, I'm going to just use this and put it outside somewhere. And then I picked up this cute little pink hat, you know, it's a little bucket hat. I was like, I think my head was too big. First I thought it was, but I guess it's not. Okay, so yeah, they had these there, so you know. Yes. Okay, now I have some more goodies in here. Okay, so I just went ahead and end up getting 2 of these too as well. Okay. I really did. Now I really like this one because this one is just a little bit more like purse vibe. You know, flip that wrist, you know. But see that? It just goes, you know, it just goes. So you can have it, you know, then you can turn it, and then it just has that get up and go, you know, to it. So it's so cute. For $1.25. Stop playing. Okay. Yeah, so these are canvas. Okay, canvas. Yes, see? This one reminds me more of fall. Okay. But these like are cohesive. They're very, very cohesive right here. So I'm going to put up another one right here. So yeah, so give or take, you see the cohesiveness going on there. Okay. Yes. So you can kind of put them going, you know, and put one going that way if you like. Or you can even turn it, you know. So yeah, those really, really tie in together. And then this one, I don't know why I picked this one up. I think I'm just going to give this one away because it didn't go with anything. And I didn't realize that I grabbed 4 because sometimes when I go in there, I just start throwing things in the basket. Like I look at it once. Yes, that gold is on point. Okay. I did get this here. So this is a mirror. So that is my haul. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do with these. Okay, yes, and with the other ones. So before I get out of here, I want to say thank you so very much for watching my Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I think I did on the last video stumble up on some new finds. If there's any new finds in here, then maybe. Okay, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And if there is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards down in the description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen. And most certainly, okay, you come back and visit my channel again. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. And just take these. And I'm going to put my resistant bands. Okay. Lighter weights. Jump rope in there. It's pretty sturdy. It's holding. Okay. Another jump rope. Yes. This one is still maintaining. Okay. So I don't even know if they're gonna make any more of these at Dollar Tree, but that's exactly where this came from, and it's nice and sturdy. So I'm just gonna put that because I want that hot pink going on. So, and then I'm gonna get my other one. These in. Okay. So this is what you can do with them, okay? If you're wondering, like, oh, what can I use? What can I use these for? So I think I'm going to use my 10 pounders for this one. Yeah, it just makes more sense, okay? Because of the shape. Yeah, okay. So it's in there. Okay. And then I'll put those in the other one. And I'm good to go. Let's see. Looks like. Hey, that's the vibes that it's giving. Yay. Okay, all done. Bye-bye.